chairs. Then there's steep hills, and then we go down it, and then we get all the way to the park, and then eat animal crackers and go to the playground.
Is that the end of the story?
No, I have something else to tell you.
What happened?
We were walking on the bridges too, and then we were walking on tight ropes, and then we were walking on the strings, and then we walked on a bouncy bridge. There was bouncy, and then we walked all the way to the park, to the park to eat animal crackers and play. This is my silly ball. And then we had some more things that we also did. we played on the playground and had so much fun. And then we got 5 minutes to play. And then there was a thing that at the end was it. We were there all the way to the park at the end of the trail. And then we walked for a long thing. And then it was a very long thing. It was a long walk. And there was something you guys come to. So, kids, the thing that we also need is we walked to the park all the way back. And then we walked all the way, then we drove all the way home faster than things that. And then something happened to drive. We had a wheel stuck. Then we flattened a new tire. And then
You're turning into baby talk now.
And now the thing that we also need is to get past the road into the park and all the way around to the
Bea,
park.
you're pretty cute.
Take a video of me.
I did. I love you.
I love you. That's the end.